Hey guys, I will be showing you some weird issue that I'm going through. Uh, I have 2018 Ford Edge with Sync 3 system, and when I bought this car, I knew that the sound system was malfunctioning, so I bought it with no audio on it, and it was saying here no audio off message was there. So I took it to Ford dealership. They told me the audio control module is dead, so I need to replace it. So they quote me like a crazy price for it, so I tried to find it in the scrapyard. I found the part and I changed it, and I unmount everything myself, and then took out and put the new one in. Boom, it worked. So there is, right now, FM work, Bluetooth sound work, everything works. But I have a weird problem, which when I do, my rear speakers are not giving any sound out. So I did the test with using this eject button and the forward seek button together, and I'll show you. I need to turn on the audio. Then look, now it's gonna do work through test, which here everything works. Subwoofers. Okay, everything worked. So then I go to audio control model test and speaker workaround test. Rear door, left rear door, those are not working here. So audio control module test fails on rear speakers. But if I go to DSP diagnostic and do speaker workaround test, everything works. Rear door, left door, subwoofer and everything. So weirdly, like I told you, audio control module diagnostic, it fails on showing output on the rear speakers, rear right and rear left, but on the DSP diagnosis my speaker works. I mean the back left speakers are rear speakers are working. So I didn't get it why, and I don't want to get into checking cabling and so on. So I know that speakers are working, and why on audio control module test it's not working, or okay, so I'll show you the real test. For example, when you go to sound, let me turn the headlight on. So then fade and balance. For example, if I move this one, look, so it's faded out. So right side rear is not working, right side left also it's not working, front it works, right works, but rear side is not working. So I didn't get it. Is it because of the audio control module that I installed it in the, it's a maybe different version of it, or I need to do some force scan to change some settings? I don't know. So please help me out if you have this type of an issue and you figured it out. How is it? Thanks guys, bye.